Hi everyone, I'm Nino John, a Client Success Coordinator at BrandGo. Now in this tutorial is going to go over how to use our Property Press IDX. If you're ready, let's get started. You will need to log in into the backend of your website and navigate to Property Press, IDX Settings, and then click on Agent Info. This is where you can upload your photo and other information such as your name, phone number, and email address. When your IDX is live, you can control your feed and create a search according to the categories you want. For example, I don't want my map zoomed out, so in my search, I will zoom in the map and create a saved search for that view. I have 3 areas in my homepage, and what I want is when visitors click on those areas, they will see listings on that specific areas only. So what I'll do is to create a saved search for each of my areas. Orlando, Tampa, and Jacksonville. And you can narrow down your search results by using the filters, such as price, property types, bed and bath, more filters such as living area, year built, status, financial information, parking features, exterior features, view, financial information, property features, pool features, interior features, property style, cooling features, heating features, community features, property subtypes, green features, and more filters. And once you're done saving all your saved searches, you can find them in the backend of your website by navigating to Property Press Widgets. And this is where our saved searches goes. We can grab those results and add it into your areas to display your featured listing for that area. All of your leads can be found in the backend of your website. Just go to Property Press, Leads. And that's the functionality of our search. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.